In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a trend line in Excel. To begin, open your chart in Excel and click once directly on the data series inside the chart. This means you should click on the bars, dots, or plotted values that represent your data. Selecting the data series first is important because it tells Excel exactly which part of the chart you want to work with. Once the data series is selected, look to the top right corner of the chart. You will see a green plus icon. This is the Chart Elements button, and it gives you quick access to features you can add to your chart. Click the plus icon to open the Chart Elements menu. In that list, find the option labeled Trendline. Move your mouse over the Trendline option so you can see the related controls more clearly. Then click the checkbox next to Trendline. As soon as you do this, Excel will add a trend line to your chart. If you want to choose a specific type of trend line, click the small black arrow to the right of the Trendline label. This opens a side menu where you can choose the style that best fits your data. Select Linear if you want a straight line trend that shows the general direction of the data. Select Moving Average if you want Excel to smooth out short-term fluctuations and highlight the overall pattern more gradually. For more control, click More Options at the bottom of that side menu. This opens the Format Trendline sidebar on the right side of the screen. In this panel, you can adjust additional settings for the trend line. It is a useful area if you want to fine-tune how the trend line appears and what information is displayed. After the sidebar opens, scroll all the way to the bottom. There you will find an option called Display Equation on Chart. Click the checkbox next to it to show the trend line formula directly on the chart. This can be especially helpful if you want to understand the relationship in your data or use the equation for further analysis. When you are finished, click the X at the top of the Format Trendline sidebar to close it. Your trend line and equation will remain visible on the chart. That covers everything you need to know.